can't eat this for dinner.
You can see it's been remodeled again. Cool, huh?
Oh my god, that is so terrible! That's the worst thing I've ever seen! I can't think of anything worse than that!
You're supposed to like it.
We got our first review, Jesse! Yeah! Yeah! Alright, you go. I'm gonna take your money. Have a good day.
Woo, that's some good pizza.
That's it! I had enough of you!
Oh my gosh, Woody! I need your album! It was only $19.99! I'm taking your wallet! Bye!
Jesse! Thank you, Buzz!
Pencil, you're the first person to bring me a ball. Because of that, you get 30 points.
I'm totally gonna beat you guys.
Oh no, you won't!
Found a ball?
No.
All I found was this apple.
Yeah!
Firey, you get 4th place, resulting in 12 points.
I found it in the dumpster!
Alright, should be 100% foolproof.
Like all the maroon balls are now nuclear bombs.
Looks like I have successfully caught the monster.
Blocky, you're the 6th person to turn in a ball, so you get 8 points. Night is here, time to release the gas.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go to bed. Yeah, same with me.
Ice Cube, you're number 10, so you get 2 points.
Oh!
Myror är fler än 4 elefanter. You're dead.
I can't eat this for dinner.
What about that?
That one's smelly.
Oh, it smells like a sewer.
Alright, Jesse. The trick is be really quiet.
Are we?
Well, I have to poop.
Snowball, Bubble, Rocky, and Tennis Ball. Last episode you 4 had the lowest scores. Go to the cake at stake place to see who will be eliminated.
There now go, we shall see it.
You can see it's been remodeled again. Cool, huh?
Oh my god, that is so terrible! That's the worst thing I've ever seen! I can't think of anything worse than that!
You're supposed to like it.
Oh my god, that is so wonderful! That is the best thing I've ever seen! I can't think of anything better than that!
That's better. So we got 80 votes. Bubble, you've gotten 4 votes this time, quintupling your total number of votes. You get a cake. It's fish flavored.
Near a sausage.
Rocky, who is at 11 votes, is also quite fishy. So it looks like another ball is going home. Snowball, I'm sorry to tell you that you've been eliminated with a record of 47 votes.
Why do these muggles do such a thing?
Tennis Ball, congrats. You are safe, and you get the 3rd fish.
We got our first review, Jesse! Yeah! Yeah! Alright, you go. I'm gonna take your money. Have a good day.
Woo, that's some good pizza. Oh, I think it's...
Ow! What did I do?
I do that sometimes. That's what I do when I'm sad.
Ow! It's not my fault.
People, quiet down. So on this screen I've ordered you by your current scores. The red zone represents the bottom third. At the end of this contest, if you're in that danger zone, you will be up for elimination. The 13th challenge is red ball hunting. Find any ball that is the color red, but remember, light red only, not dark red, or maroon if you like it that way. But to make this challenge extra difficult, gas laced with LSD will be spawned at night, making you hallucinate, or making you do things you never remember doing, such as committing murder you thought you didn't do. So, that makes this extra harder.
Where is he?
That's it! I had enough of you!
Oh my gosh, Woody! I need your album! It was only $19.99! I'm taking your wallet! Bye!
Jesse! Thank you, bud!
Pencil, you're the first person to bring me a ball. Because of that, you get 30 points.
I'm totally gonna beat you guys.
Oh no, you won't!
Oh yeah, I will!
Hold on. I asked for a red ball. This is a maroon ball.
Are you kidding
That will be a 10-point penalty. I'm sorry. Go back and find a ball that is actually red.
Also, that ball is explosive.
And also what my son told me that all of the maroon balls are bombs, which I can tell because they will explode.
Sonic, look! Drugs!
You're not drugs!
But you did pay attention in math. Drugs. Don't do them!
Ice Cube, this is a maroon ball. That's a 10-point penalty.
See? I told you!
Go back and find a ball that is actually red.
Uh-oh. I think I'm gonna have a heart attack.
Hey, speaking of things, Rocky vomited up a ball. Does that count?
That's kind of gross. You, tennis ball, are the second person to bring in a red ball, earning you 20 points. But I don't think it's possible for someone to throw up something so large. I stand corrected. Rocky, third place earns you 15 points.
Found a ball?
No.
All I found was this apple.
Yeah!
Firey, you get fourth place, resulting in 12 points.
I found it in the dumpster!
Being the fifth person to turn in a ball, you get 10 points.
You have really
Got you! Oh. Alright, should be 100% foolproof.
Like all the maroon balls are now nuclear bombs.
Looks like I have successfully caught the monster.
Blocky, you're the sixth person to turn in a ball, so you get 8 points. Big mistake, eraser. That's a maroon ball. You get a 10-point penalty.
What the fuck?
Dead.
There's a monster in the...
Buzz, don't be stupid!
Maybe there is a monster in the closet. You don't know, Jesse.
Sure!
Anyways, you know, we've had a lot of random stuff happen. Maybe there is a monster in the closet. Good. That'll color up your
Leafy, you're number 7. That gets you 6 points.
Yeah, you die and now you're a ghost. Oh no, a more! Hopefully it's not a nuclear bomb that Blocky has made. Please don't be a nuclear bomb. It isn't.
It's not in there.
What do you mean it's not in there?
Oh, wait!
Bubble, you're number 8. That gets you 4 points.
Yeah!
On it.
Pen, you're number 9. That gets you 3 points. Night is here, time to release the gas.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go to bed. Yeah, same with me.
Ice Cube, you're number 10, so you get 2 points.
Oh! Ah! Pooped in my bed. Pooped in my bed. Pooped in my bed. Now it's red.
Took you long enough.
Man. Pooped in my...
No, that's a bomb.
What?
The gases are making you see things.
No. Human. I am human.
Wait a minute. So I was... Oh my gosh, she's waking up. Ah, she's having the knots here. Ah! Decide. Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh no, my gas ran out.
So, these are your current scores. Match, Ice Cube, Rocky, and Tennis Ball. You have fallen into the danger zone, so the voting will only be between the 4 of you. Voters and everyone else out there, vote for one of these contestants to be eliminated from the battle for Dream Island.